Hey everyone, this is David from Bench-Mark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on grid to ground in MicroSurvey FieldGenius 10. I have here a Mesa 2 rugged tablet with my S321 rover to show you guys how to do it. So before we get into it, I've set myself up in the wrong zone just to exaggerate what it looks like so you'll really see the difference between having it turned on and having it turned off. I'm just going to shoot a point here with my scale factor turned off. I don't need the 1 there, so I'll delete that and just hit store point and save that point there. Now to turn on grid to ground, I'm going to hit the plumb bob. I'm going to go to Survey Tools, GNSS Local Transformation, Modify Parameters. Then here under Scale Parameters, I'm going to change the method from User Defined to Measure GNSS Position. Just going to hit Measure, and it's going to pull the scale factor right from my rover, and hit OK. And I'm going to back out to the map screen now. And you can see now that I'm pretty far away from where I was before I turned it on. There we go. So I'll just shoot a point now. Scale factor turned on, and you can see it's pretty significant. That's all for today. So if you have any questions about anything you saw in this video or any of the videos on our channel, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.